All right, so look, 9-126, given the quadratic function f of x equals x minus 1 squared minus 4. So if you recall back to when we were looking at the vertex, this function is already in vertex form. And your vertex is formed by the opposite of whatever's here and then this value. So the vertex is 1, negative 4. When you go to determine the x-intercepts, that's when your y value of your equation is going to be 0. So your y value is your f of x. So 0 equals x minus 1 squared minus 4. So you're going to eventually factor this to find your zeros, to find your x-intercepts. But I need to expand this first. So what does that really mean? It means I have x minus 1 times x minus 1, and then I have that minus 4 on the outside. And I'm going to switch the 0 to the right side. So x minus 1 times x minus 1 gives me x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then I have minus 4 equals 0. So I can combine the 1 and the negative 4, so I get x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And now I can factor that. And if you want to, you can use a generic rectangle. When you factor, you get x plus 1 times x minus 3. And remember, you set each of these equal to 0. So x is negative 1 here, and x is positive 3 here. So remember, those values mean that they're negative 1, 0 on the graph, and 3, 0 on your graph. So now you have these 2 points, plus you have your vertex to sketch your graph.